It was a sudden pain in her chest that Ava describes as being torn from the inside out. You immediately think heart attack, right? But doctors didn't even consider it because of her age, sending the teenager home.
Are we singing happy birthday? Birthday to you.
This is not your usual 18th, and the birthday girl, not your average teenager, marking a milestone.
Oh, my beautiful flowers.
Yeah, they were lovely.
Because just weeks before the party, this was Ava in the fight of her life.
I had this horrible chest pain come on out of nowhere. It felt as if there was like a house sitting on top of me and my chest was being ripped apart from the inside.
It was a little after 9 p.m. Ava was lying in bed, about to go to sleep.
Once the paramedics arrived, they told me it was just a panic attack or anxiety and gave me some Panadol.
Had you had a panic attack or anxiety before? Did you not have any sort of similar feeling before in the past?
No, never.
Ava was rushed to Dalby Hospital in the Western Downs region of Queensland, where she met her mum, Nikki.
I knew there was something not right, and they said, oh no, I think everything looks fine. We should really be doing x-rays, but I think everything's fine. Go home and come back if it's worse. It's probably just costochondritis or something.
Chondrochondronitis is rib pain. Hours later, after being discharged from hospital, Ava's blood results revealed that diagnosis was way off.
My troponin was elevated.
What does that mean?
It's really, your heart releases it when it's been like injured or distressed.
Heart attack.
Yep.
So when you hear that and you're 17 years old, what did you think?
I was so scared, and I think I just started bawling my eyes out from there, and me and Mum cried together and we rushed back to Dalby Hospital, and it was so scary.
Ava was eventually transferred to Toowoomba for urgent surgery.
Which then found the tear in my artery that caused the heart attack.
So 48 hours earlier, you're perfectly fine though.
Yep.
And suddenly you're going in for a heart procedure at 17.
I was really good until that day, and that's when I think I cried the whole time. Just wondering what's going to happen, because it had been a tough couple of years leading up to that. And then when that happened, it was like, how can this be happening to a 17-year-old? She's almost 18.
Oh, she's easily the youngest by about 2 decades. Most of the people that I've treated would be in their late 30s, early 40s.
Cardiologist Dr. Anudeep Gupta.
So when you heard 17-year-old had had a heart attack, what was your reaction?
So firstly, it was disbelief. Normally you don't get 17-year-olds with heart attacks. But then when I went and talked to Ava and got the story out of her, it was quite classical.
Dr. Gupta diagnosed Ava with spontaneous coronary artery dissection, otherwise known as SCAD. Not much is known about the condition because it's so rare, the cause of less than 5% of all heart attacks in Australia. But most patients are women under the age of 50 who end up suffering unexplained tears somewhere in their heart.
The exact mechanism and causes of SCAD not very well known yet. We think it's probably due to the hormones, particularly around pregnancy time.
So cholesterol, exercise, overweight, that's got nothing to do with this?
No, not in this case.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, it's very unfortunate because it does also affect the healthy young women.
What was life like up until that point in terms of your healthiness?
I was working a normal job. I just started studying.
But like, were you smoking, drinking?
No.
Bad diet?
No, I was perfectly healthy.
Ava's scare has completely changed her life. Strenuous exercise and stress could cause another heart attack. But it's also inspired her. She wants to become a nurse and raise awareness about SCAD so that other young women are not misdiagnosed and find themselves in her position.
The nurse said to Ava, if you were elderly, you may not have lasted this long. And I think that's when it really hit me.
She knows what's going on with her medical condition. She knows what triggers to look out for and when to seek help. So it's you know, if someone was going to have it, she has a very good idea what her life looks like ahead.
How do you feel about life moving forward? Like, I think people in middle-aged life, if they have a heart attack, it makes them reassess their lives. What has it done for you? You've got engaged. That was after that. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm definitely more grateful, but yeah, it's just a whole lot different, a new aspect, I guess.
And it's just beginning at 17, isn't it? That's
yeah,
the thing.
and I'm here to raise awareness and hopefully, save someone else's life.
What a gorgeous soul, and we wish you all the best, Ava.